The first 3 steps to running without knee pain are: lift the heel first, tap the opposite heel to the floor, then push back up with your foot and knee. I first learned this style from Petersen, who used it on a Canadian downhill ski team riddled with knee pain and took them all the way to winning gold in the Olympics without knee pain. And while downhill skiing at that level may put more stress on your knees than running does, this is still super important for running because it's the same foot and knee position that you land in and push out of in every running stride. The form here is also super important, so make sure to send in a video of your last set using the camera icon on the app so I can coach you up on the progressions. And once we get the form nailed, our goal for knee protection in the targets program is 8 reps with 50% of your body weight loaded and full control. So now let's cover how we actually get there in the running ability program. You'll start with 8 weeks in unlock with these knee bend pulses, 50 reps per side, 2 sets once a week. Using no elevation and keeping your knee to your shoulders in one straight line, tap forwards in front of you at a level that feels good. And remember that if you have a current knee injury, you can always use less range of motion and more assistance to find a level that feels good. But on the other end, if bodyweight reps are too easy for you, you can always scale to harder levels by adding weights behind your back. Then your next 8 weeks will be in the rebuild program, adding 6 inches of elevation underneath you and a slant board to prop up your heel. Every Monday in rebuild, you'll set a 3-minute timer and aim for 45 reps on one leg in those 3 minutes. Start with your weaker side first, then reset the timer and do the same thing on your stronger side second. On week 1, I want you to start with body weight reps or even assisted reps first, just to get used to the range of motion. And from there, you can start adding weights. If you hit your 45 reps in 3 minutes on 1 week, then next week you could increase the weight as long as it was pain-free. It was Charles Poliquin who brought these to light and used them on hundreds of Olympic athletes, calling it the $1 million knee exercise because of how effective it was. So by doing your 8 weeks in rebuild, after your 8 weeks in unlock, you can already give yourself life-changing results in terms of how good your knees feel when you run. And from there, we spend our last 8 weeks in the targets program building towards our knee protection goal that we talked about earlier. 8 reps with 50% of your body weight loaded and full control over your knee and foot through the full range of motion. And again, to make sure you're progressing as fast as you can, make sure to send in a video of your form from around this angle using the camera icon so I can coach you up on how to progress next. And remember, since the running ability program isn't just about building up your Petersen step-ups, but also regaining full range of motion in your knees with our deep squat progression, while gaining strength behind the knee with our inner range knee strength and lengthening all of the muscles around the knee with movements like our couch stretch progression, you can literally take this training as far as you want to become more and more protected against running injuries. Because once you start training your knees like a runner should, you regain the ability to run a lot more without ever getting knee injuries because we correct the tightness, weakness, and imbalances that most runners face.